Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. BJP executive meeting. Parrikar says Goa will get financial package in next 3 months. Don't tells party workers to keep their feet on ground. "45th edition of IFFI set to roll with ESG ignoring local artists, decides against promoting local talent during IFFI. Inaugural to witness Amitabh Rajnikant. Goa government invokes ESMA on 2-day strike planned by lifeguards from 21st November. Notification issued on Wednesday. Parrikar's voter list tangled. Chief Electoral Officer says Parrikar's name cannot be deleted from Panji voters list, but seeks report from Electoral Officer. And let's live in faith with unity and peace. Naveli celebrates feast with this message preached at Feast of Our Lady of Rosary in Naveli. Now the news in detail. Every leader in the BJP should not forget that party is bigger than any individual. Many are daydreaming and are trying to project themselves as larger than life after Parrikar's elevation to Delhi. BJP Organization Secretary Satish Dhawan has cautioned BJP men during their executive meeting. BJP is planning a membership drive throughout Goa. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar was also present he announced that Goa will get special financial package within next 3 months.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar felicitated Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar during BJP Mandal meeting at Panji. BJP has decided to conduct a massive membership drive in coming days. Motivated leaders voiced their views with great impact, but its organizing secretary Satish Dhawan had this a bouncer for the party cadre. He said, "No BJP leader in Goa should consider himself larger than party. Keep your feet on ground. After Parrikar shifting to national politics, many are considering themselves larger than life and bigger than party." Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar spoke on the occasion. He said, "Parrikar was always a pillar of support for us, but now we will have to deliver in his absence. Every cabinet minister should perform and get into the nerve of the department. Best time for us to shine." Tenancy Act amendments are being criticized by political rivals. All the 40 legislators had supported the amendments in Assembly. Tenancy Act amendment is not pro-landlords. People who are not farmers should not teach us about Tenancy Act. We are open for amendment in Tenancy Act. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar opened up his heart out. He said, "I was bored with politics, but the way my government was brought down by then Governor Zamir, I had decided to shoot back. I am resigning on 25th November as Panji MLA. Grah Aadhar money for beneficiaries payment pending from past only 12 days and not 2 months. Have spoken to Union Minister Arun Jaitley for financial package to Goa. Package expected within 3 months. Previous Tenancy Act allowed massive corruption." Bureau Report, Prudent.
45th edition of IFFI is all set to roll with ESG ignoring local talent. Sources say the society has decided against promoting local talent across Goa during IFFI by holding cultural problems. ESG is struggling to complete preparations at last minute. The unpreparedness is evident with ESG issuing last-minute tenders even to set up a VIP lounge. Amitabh Bachchan will be the chief guest while Rajnikant will attend the IFFI to receive Centenary Award.
IFFI is just 24 hours away, but ESG is still struggling to cope with the preparedness. Tenders are issued at last minute even to set up a VIP lounge. This is the tender issued at last minute, just 48 hours before IFFI. Congress suspects foul play in this.
IFFI परवा येऊन तेकला 20 तारखेक. आज 18 तारीख. आज पेपरार ऍड आयला टेंडरांक. फाल्यां 5 पर्यंत टेंडर. VIP लॉन्च घालतले केन्ना? सो हे जर पैशात तुम्ही एखादे क्लियर कट फ्रॉड जाल्ले आसत. हातून म्हाका दिसता खंय ना खंय आतां आमकां क्रिमिनल कंप्लेंट फायल करची पडटली आनी हांव स्वता आतां PMOकूय बरोवन कळयतलो की बाबा तुज्या डायरेक्टर ऑफ फिल्म फेस्टिवल आनी ESGचे कितें भानगडी चालू आहा ते मातशें पळय लक्ष घाल.
But the ESG head Damu Naik is blaming it on GSIDC.
Launch asa त्या लॉन्च कन्स्ट्रक्शना खातीर आपोवना टेंडर जे लॉन्च 14 तारखेच्यान जे सो कॉल्ड पळय ते कितें बांदता म्हणटात त्या लॉन्चान भितर आमी पार्टी आपयल्यात की ते तुमी व्हरात आनी सेटअप करात एक डायनींग एरिया ऑर हॉस्पिटेलिटी एरिया आनी ताजे आमकां पयशे मेळटा आमी 1 रुपया सुद्दां खर्च करना ते लॉन्च पळय आसा ही दोन्ही लॉन्च ही जीएसडीची कामां म्हजो तातूंत आमचो भितर कांय इंट्रस्टच ना भितर.
The fiasco doesn't end here. ESG has decided to ignore local artists. The society has taken an arrogant decision of not promoting local talent during this issue.
ह्या इफीन लोकल आर्टिस्टांक खंयच प्राधान्य दिल्लें गेलें ना. हांव अपील करता सगळ्या आमच्या गोंयच्या आर्टिस्टांक जर तर आमच्या आर्टिस्टांक जर हांगा प्राधान्य दिल्लें गेलें ना जाल्यार आमकां कित्याक जाय ही फी अशी लूट करपाक काही जाणांची बोल्सां भरपाक आमकां गरज ना.
At Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, film star Anupam Kher and Raveena Tandon were seen practicing for the inaugural day. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar visited Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium to check the preparations. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa government has invoked asthma against the 2 days proposed strike by the lifeguards from 21st November. Goa unit of AITUC had given a strike call. Goa government issued notification on Wednesday and imposed Essential Services Maintenance Act with immediate effect. Violators or instigators of this strike will face imprisonment up to 1 year and fine up to ₹1,000.
Lifeguard services provided under the Tourism Department have been brought under ESMA, Essential Services Maintenance Act, with immediate effect from Wednesday. Lifeguards had earlier given a call for 2 days strike from 21st November under the umbrella of All India Trade Union Congress. But now, violating the government's notification of ESMA, lifeguards will invite a penal action. Strike on beaches or inland waterways will be termed as illegal under ESMA. Notification invoking ESMA for lifeguard says, lifeguard strike under ESMA is illegal. Imprisonment up to 6 months if lifeguard violate ESMA. Fine up to ₹200. Person found instigating lifeguards for strike may face imprisonment of 1 year or fine up to ₹1,000 or both. Vehicles used for such strike may be confiscated. Any person found helping such illegal strike may face imprisonment of 1 year or fine up to ₹1,000 or both. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chief Electoral Officer has directed the concerned Electoral Registration Officer to investigate validity of the name of Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar's name in Panji's voter list. Following a complaint, Election Commission of India has directed Chief Electoral Officer to investigate the matter. Complainant has sought deletion of the name of Parrikar from Panji's voter list. Chief Electoral Officer said by law, Parrikar's name cannot be deleted from Panji's voter list as he is a legislator from the constituency.
Can Parrikar's name be deleted from Panji voter list from electoral roll? Over the complaint filed by activist advocate Irish Rodriguez, Election Commission of India has asked Chief Electoral Officer of Goa to submit a factual report on urgent basis about the validity of Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar's name in Panji voters list. After receiving that letter on 19 November, Chief Electoral Officer directed concerned Electoral Registration Officer to investigate the matter and file its report within 24 hours.
We have received a copy of the complaint filed by Advocate Irish Rodriguez, wherein he has requested to delete the name of Shri Manohar Parrikar since he is not residing at that particular place. I have referred that matter to Electoral Registration Officer because Electoral Registration Officer is a competent authority to inquire into the same.
Advocate Irish Rodriguez in his complaint lodged with Election Commission of India has alleged that Manohar Parrikar has fraudulently enrolled his name in Panji constituency voters list by giving wrong residential address. While talking to Prudent, Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Nauti stated that though the investigation is on, by law, Manohar Parrikar's name cannot be deleted from Panji constituency voters list, being a legislator.
His name is existing from 1997 in that particular place, and accordingly, the provision of handbook, that is 13(5) is applicable, wherein it says that any MP, MLA or MLC, his name should appear at the same place from where he has his name was existing in the electoral roll during the election which he has contested.
Narayan Nauti also said that further course of action will be decided only after receiving the report from Electoral Registration Officer. ERO will file his report by Thursday evening. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.